Hey YouTube, welcome to our very messy living room, dining room. It is raining right now, so I can't really do too many projects outside, but I can install our alarm system. Part of our security, we are gonna go with this company called Abode. We have a friend that is in security and he uses this personally and recommended it to us. My wife was the one that actually ordered all the parts, so I'm not too sure what all I'm looking at right now. Let's get unboxing. Here is the unboxing. My understanding with the Abode system, we can always add more stuff later on. This is the starter kit with the main hub and a motion sensor. My wife bought another motion sensor to cover most of our house with 18 of these mini door sensors, which I'm guessing will cover the windows and doors. The rest of the stuff, I'm not too sure where it goes. This is a slim door sensor. I don't know where she wants the siren or the panic button or the shock wave sensor. I'm also confused about the camera because we were doing Ring cameras. Maybe things have changed. And I also need to ask her where she wants the keypad. Gonna talk with the wife and get these installed. Plugged in the gateway and main hub. We really need to work on the cable management. Everything has been pretty easy. You download the app and it is currently updating the firmware. We have two motion sensors, so while that's happening, I'm going to find a place for this one and the other one. Also, one of my favorite things to do. Nice. I've been walking around the house seeing what makes sense with these two sensors. This one will cover the master bedroom and this hallway with all the rooms. I wanted it to face the front door, but since we're getting a camera here eventually, I decided to put it next to the bathroom. The second one is in the living room to get any motion from the back door and the garage door. That made sense to me. Let's keep installing stuff. I put the keypad next to the thermostat. It just looks right to me. It did come with fasteners and anchors, but I've been using the double-sided sticky tape. This is a magnet And it's been really easy with using the tape that it comes with. I got 2 window door sensors here. These are also sticky tape, but on Velcro, so you could press that to pair with the app. And I put the siren there. I don't know why. Let's work on the garage. Finished here in the garage. I have 1, 2, 3 door window sensors, and I put the camera here because we're going with wired ring cameras instead of these battery powered ones, but one came with this beginner kit, so I'm gonna have it in here monitoring these 2 doors. Let's keep working. Sorry about the mess in the kitchen. I did those 2 windows and decided to put the sticker there. I don't know, looks good to me. I also did the front door. Last ones we need to do are bedrooms, bathrooms, and back sliding door. Let's finish up. I got everything installed. This app is super slick. I paired all the devices and you can name them whatever you want. This one is backsliding door. When I open it, it registers immediately. That's pretty sweet. We have a few pieces left over. I think this was supposed to be for the sliding door, but I couldn't figure out how to get it to fit. I need to ask my wife about the panic button and key fob. We have an additional door window sensor. But overall, I am super happy with this. It is definitely worth it for us for peace of mind and safety and security. Video 35 done.